Join me as I put the top AI image generators of 2025 to the test and see which one truly reigns supreme. The world of AI image generators has come a long way in recent years. If you think back to the early days of AI-generated images, you'll remember they were often laughable, with poorly rendered faces and weirdly proportioned bodies. But fast forward to today, and we've got AI image generators that can produce stunning, photorealistic images that are almost indistinguishable from the real thing. This rapid progress has led to a surge in popularity, with creators and businesses alike clamoring to get their hands on the best AI image generators out there. One of the biggest challenges users face when choosing an AI image generator is figuring out which one is right for them. There are so many options out there, each touting its own unique features and benefits. But let's be real, folks, most of us don't have the time or resources to test out every single AI image generator on the market. We need to know which ones are worth our time and, more importantly, which ones are going to give us the results we need. Another major headache is cost effectiveness. Let's face it, some of these AI image generators can be pretty pricey, especially for individual creators or small businesses. You've got to weigh the cost against the benefits, and that can be a tough call to make. And then there's the issue of ease of use. I mean, let's be real, folks, not all of us are tech wizards. We need an AI image generator that's going to be intuitive, easy to use, and won't make us want to pull our hair out in frustration. Finally, there's the question of quality. What good is an AI image generator if it can't produce high-quality images that meet your needs? You've got to consider factors like resolution, color accuracy, and overall aesthetic appeal. It's a lot to take in, and that's why we're going to dive into a comparison of the top AI image generators available in 2025. When it comes to AI image generators, there are a few clear frontrunners that stand out from the pack. You've got your Mid-Journey, your Deep Dream generator, your Prisma, and of course your DALL-E 2. Each one of these AI image generators has its own unique strengths and weaknesses, and it's worth taking a closer look at what makes them tick. Prisma, meanwhile, is all about turning your photos into works of art, using AI to mimic the styles of famous artists like Van Gogh and Picasso. And then there's DALL-E 2, the reigning champion of AI image generators, capable of creating images that are downright breathtaking in their complexity and realism. But which one is the best? That's what we're here to find out. After poring over user feedback and expert reviews, I'm convinced that DALL-E 2 is the standout AI image generator of 2025. The sheer versatility of this tool is staggering, capable of generating everything from realistic landscapes to futuristic cityscapes, and even abstract art pieces that defy categorization. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to use, even for those of us who aren't tech-savvy. Of course, the real test of any AI image generator is in the results, and trust me, DALL-E 2 delivers. The images it produces are so realistic, so detailed, that it's hard to believe they're not actually photographs. And that's what sets it apart from the competition, its ability to consistently produce high-quality images that meet the needs of creators and businesses alike. So what do you think, guys? Have you had any experiences with AI image generators that you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my related videos for more insights into the world of AI-generated images. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.